Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Satya Prasad, Associate Professor in Mass Communication and Journalism. I'll be discussing about media and effective communication. As you are all aware, that media is perhaps one of the most effective communication systems that we have in the world today. Why is media or why does communication through media assume such importance and such significance? The answer is very simple. It is because communication through media is very effective. In fact, the most effective form of communication is through media. So now we are going to discuss about what makes communication so effective when it is done through the media. I will start with writing for media in print media. So, how do we write when we have to write for print media? In writing for print media, the communication is at its best. Now, what are the principles involved in writing for the media, especially the print media, be it the newspapers or the magazines? The simple formula which exists when it comes to writing for print media is called as journalistic form of writing or the inverted pyramid style of writing. Let me explain what is this inverted pyramid form of writing. All news reports, particularly in newspapers and magazines, are written in this style called as the inverted pyramid formula style. In the inverted pyramid formula style, we discuss about 5 important components. So primarily, there are 5 important components which constitute the inverted pyramid style of writing. What are these 5 important components? The first one, or the first W, is who. The second W is what. The third W is when. The fourth W stands for where, and the fifth W stands for why. So inverted pyramid style of writing speaks of 5 W's: who, what, where, when, and why. When all these 5 W's are answered in written communication, this communication becomes very effective as it can be easily be understood by the readers. Now let me give you an example to make the concept of inverted pyramid style of writing very simple and easy to understand. The example goes like this. The Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, arrived in Hyderabad today to inaugurate a newly renovated Secunderabad railway station. Now this is an example of inverted pyramid form of writing, and this form of writing answers all the 5 questions that arise in the reader's mind: who, what, where, when, and why. So how does it answer these questions? Let's come to the first one, who. Here, who is the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. The what, or the second W, stands for what was the occasion. The occasion was the renovation or the inauguration of the newly renovated railway station. The third W stands for where. Where did it happen? In Hyderabad, right? Because he arrived in Hyderabad. When. The fourth W stands for when. When is on which day was this event or did this event took place. So when we say the inauguration of the event took place today, it means that the event happened on Thursday. So now we have answered who, what, where, and when. And that leaves us with the last question, which is why. Now, why was this event held? Or what was the significance of this event? The significance of this event is that By inaugurating a renovated railway station, more amenities are become available to the people, because ultimately passenger comfort is the most important thing. And in a way it also popularizes this form of travel more among the masses. So here we have answered the fifth question, why. So in short, in this small news example, we have written it in such a way that it addresses all the questions that arise in the minds of the reader: who, what, where, when, and why. That is why writing through print media, or any communication through print media, is deemed as the most effective form of communication, because communication or writing through media not only makes the message simple and effective, but also shapes public opinion and perceptions.